Request for a disciplinary action against Comrade Cde Mutsvangwa azvipere mushe. Sanapinda mashoko atona kuti mutsamba inogwana naGifford Gomwe aiwa chava chiti aiwa we want a disciplinary action against Christopher Mutsvangwa pamashoko ayo akalika muaudio yake iricirculate pasocial media. Irwa subscribe wala icon on the bell icon. Tipina pana pamzimu ayi vanopublicize this letter vachiti in reference to the utterances made by Comrade Mutsvangwa to VP and second secretary of the party ZANU-PF, Comrade Chiwenga. The statements made, which are a wash on social media, denigrating VP Chiwenga affects the reputation of the party and first secretary, since Comrade Mutsvangwa is a party spokesperson and everything that he says binds the party. As a concerned Cde, the effects of such utterances has got a negative bearing which poses a security threat. In fact, it seems to imply the president is above the law and can interfere with issues before the courts. Comrade Mutsvangwa, in his utterances, brought the party into disrepute, destabilizes political environment, which in turn affects social media of the masses. The direct attack on VP has got a negative implication on our international relations and the nation at large, eroding the gains of the new dispensation. Honorable VP Chiwenga is a presidential appointee, and the attacks by Comrade Mutsvangwa might seem as if the president has made a mistake in appointing Honorable VP Chiwenga, which is also a direct attack to President Mnangagwa. We have lower level cadres who were expelled from the party due to purported social media abuse. I strongly advocate for a corrective action against Comrade Mutsvangwa. It will be noticeable that Comrade Mutsvangwa has implied impunity from Mashonaland West if no action is taken against his person. Such kind of action should be strongly condemned, as they undermine the authority of Comrade Chiwenga and causes serious divisions within the ZANU-PF party. As the chairperson of ZANU-PF Mashonaland West Province, and the leadership cannot look aside at this gross indiscipline. Comrade Mutsvangwa hails from Mashonaland West Province on a central committee position. In that regard, you have set precedence on Comrade Geza's issue, so the same should also happen to Comrade Mutsvangwa. Yours, Comrade Gifford Gomwe. Tomashkamula nyuka pana vizhinji aiwa kana makaita action pana mukomana Geza, nawo takudawo disciplinary action pana Christopher Mutsvangwa pa utterances akaita. Pena kuma section menu kuti mafunguro enyu sangana subscribe or like on the bell icon.